the candidates for the Faces of Land Band.
Music now. Ano ba? Alam niyo na wala. Makiramdam kayo dyan sa taas.
And these are the candidates for the Faces of Land Band. Congratulations. Applause, applause. From among them, we will call the 12 finalists.
Okay, random.
The 12 finalists or the top... let's call on the finalists in the new hires male category in no particular order.
Candidate number 3. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 1. Okay.
Direk, sorry. Okay na ba dito kami? Kasi akin pala sila. Masyado kami masige dito eh. Ito. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Sige.
Thanks, Direk.
Okay. And then, actually, after quiz and Alex, pag na-announce naman na dyan, wala naman na manggagaling dito. Babalik na lang tayo sa gilid.
Sige, ano naman namin. So kapag medyo ubos na, gagawin na lang kami.
Yes. Okay.
Sige.
Alright. Female